Hi everyone, this is Sheila from Unwell Library, but currently working from home during the lockdown. Now I know that we're all keen to try new hobbies at the moment, and ones that don't require any shopping for materials are high on everyone's list, certainly on mine. Now one of my hobbies is growing houseplants, and I actually did a count at the weekend and found out that I've got over 100 dotted around the house. So one thing I'm always short of is pots to put them in, and I can't keep affording to buy new pots for them. So wherever possible, I like to recycle or upcycle. Did you know that old food tins can make brilliant pots for plants? I've popped a small collection of mine together to give you some idea of the type of tins that you can use for this little project and the kind of plants that you can put in them. The three in the middle are all old food tins or coffee or tea, and they've got succulents planted into them. The one on the left is a waiting being used. So that's a can of passata, just bought that from Tesco. Once I've used it, I'll rinse it out and I'll pop a plant in there. And then the one on the right there is actually from outside, and that has drainage holes punched through into the bottom, and I've just planted up a sedum. So why don't you let your imagination run wild? Use any kind of tin that you've got dotted about the house. Just remember, if it's going outside, to put some drainage holes in. Apart from that, go for it. If you've just got ordinary cans of baked beans or soup or anything like that that aren't really decorative, then just remove the label and spray paint them or hand paint them or punch holes through them to make a pattern, or just leave them as they are, put them outside and let them rust down. They'll look amazing. So keep recycling, folks. Today I'm back in the shed to give you an update on the situation with the little seed pods that I planted a few weeks ago. In front of me on the potting up bench are the Tithonia. Now these have done all right. They've grown on quite nicely, and I've potted them up into a larger pot, as you can see. Now I didn't get absolutely loads of these, but they've done all right. The reason I didn't get loads, well, there could be a variety of reasons really. 1, the shed wasn't warm enough. 2, the shed wasn't light enough. 3, the seeds weren't viable. Or 4, the pods didn't work or weren't suitable for this particular seed. Anyway, not to worry, I'm pleased with what I've got, and there'll be enough to pot up with some sunflowers that I've also done. And as you can see there, some cosmos. And if I get up close, you can see the actual pod. So once they started sprouting, I didn't have to prick them out and damage them. I just could lift the pod and repot them into another pot. And hopefully I will get a really good display. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.